Okay, what we are expecting is a 4 to 5 foot Suncrest semi-dwarf peach tree and a Fantasia Nectarine that is standard but is smaller variety bare root at 3 to 4 feet. These obviously have been soaked, which I appreciate. Some wet newspaper. Close up of the roots. All right, now let's see what's what. Now this is why they're on clearance, because technically a bare root tree is supposed to be sent to you dormant. This is not dormant, but that's why it's on sale. This is not unexpected to me. While this reduces its chances of successfully being transplanted, it doesn't mean it's not going to. And this one is Fantasia. Fantasia Nectarine Standard, so that one is correct. This tree was purchased 3 to 4 feet tall, and it's at least 4 feet tall. So a little bigger. Again, not a surprise, because I'm getting the last. In fact, I know the Fantasia went out of stock quite soon after I purchased it. And this must be our Suncrest. Again, technically not dormant. Suncrest semi-dwarf. This one, I believe, was supposed to be 4 to 5 feet tall. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4.5 at least. So the height requirement is met. These are going to be planted later today. We have some storms, so I have to work around that. And I want to give them some time soaking. So here we go. So far, so good. I got what I expected. I'm happy. Great price, too. And that was Stark Brothers. Peach and Nectarine.